Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi eso yade nyum na ajeje wa baba ma bedru sabria yade kase no ebro ensema banado so ne obatie wo mu bi eni nkroma Memorial Park ya hyensodia kwa aba no nyade se yasesa no de enkrade na hye eno ne nsem bi na no pay yade bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase uko Facebook /Adom TV extra ye wo ho ko Go TV 119 channel a ubenya ye na DSTV channel year 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV tube na kwa adomonline.com nsemi eni nsembebre ewo ho mididi afia amankwa tamaklu afia ni die mientie nsem ni chemu ankasa Ghana Tourism Authority mpenifo se no kura bi animo sa Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park ho eye wezo ne akwaba no yi afri ho de nkrande ahye ho emu nsem ni
Adom News abepie mu ewo Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park na abeto dwa se eye kani oba ha ntoya na ebo ha eye akwaba wezo ana welcome no omasesa no ede obaken ahye anemo na obaken no eye welcome ewo nkran kasemo Ghana Tourism Authority sude nkrata ana statement abeto dwa se oba ha eye kani akwaba ni wezo no eno ana ebo na obake bia embo ha Adom News ye ba ha no sei ena ye hu no wen ena ama amanfo bebre na ka se empo wezo ni akwaba no no mo besesa adem mo no mo mfa obake no enka ho ema ni mini the same thing na mo omode obake no kwa ahye anemo midin di ni ahyedu Adom News
Yantoso na mpanifo da waye kede atudwa September bosome no de toso du enso de na school placement no aye adwuma na ansana no beba so no schools ahodo no mu bi ewo hono mu a won sohwe no mpanifo akura mu kakra efise osusu se examination asekro no bobi ekoso ntisafo no ya fra wo mu aye toto wo no mo ano
Samara pese in terms na beya obia sabe oye innocent bia no etime release ya ma no so anya placement nti na ya to nsan afra wo mo nti omba be hia ye committee of work na sa committee no so ekra scripts omuhu sa collusion na say copy no ewo mu no nti oba ye the script no to anim mpanyifo a edi wechi bai no omoso behu evidence eda ho eno ene ede bebisa wasam nti wuyi ano a fine obi wo ba so subject be na sure board so nyina ye copy ye obi so be ka cha so paper be no mo de brand se ye copy ye obi wo kra na owie ye no photocopied material ye de man no oja won answer booklet no nti ano ye de bebisa se na we wukonya afi hemfa nti ono oyi ano that is the basis ye de be take a decision yes e bia amanfo abwewura wa because omo ntia se bia ye de yansan atom results ya ne afra omo se wo mumra na ye ne omo eninkita ho
Waye kempeni for kansi sudia sampa kronobo koso ewo wasin so hwe ya ekoso ntino head of public relations John Kabi ene Adom TV kase edin komoyi
ye call round no ye che invigilator ba ko na mobile phone a share ho nti ono ye de na ma police fo a omo ye nhwemu afen so other centers where kochiche nkrofobia na omo impersonators obi na register for the exams na ono ababetra ha o chro amasa nkrofo be 5 de ya chiwo mo a ye de wo mo ama police fo afen so ye hu se for no being so in some other areas ekura phones the transphone anka no the money about na ya solve questions no at the Abrenkola no examination center some other areas so nklano do na ekura prepared notes manka sanketenkete a the revision the ra exam ho na nka the kwa cultural exam nti we ya nyoma nketenkete bia at least for now yehu se nkrofo ya eni se nka omoye Chachre for the yedika catcher bia se obi okra mobile phone bia no yede no ebema Ghana Education Service for now or more take action because omo na sebi omo employing agency for teachers nti yebeka se achachre for no mo sad no bunyai because emwo bia emwo ankola no so mo dachin ene hianya pa nti o mankola no nya independent work se na beya obia enkofa enkonya grade bia undeserved na fe de kɔ n'anim a ɔde ba bɛha adwene wɔ kurom ha se deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu ɛyɛ nkɔla na wɔmɔtwerɛ nsɔhwɛ no nso no me deɛ mɛka sɛ awofoɔ ɛntoɔmba no fo sɛ wɔmkɔ akɔtwerɛ nsɔhwɛ no a mɔmɔmfa bibia ɛnkɔtwerɛ
Enkramantami mo so for Linda oklu de ato MMDC no anim wo ma wo mo na wo twemienu street light ni nyina won mo nhyehyɛ.
On our part, through engagement with the Ministry of Energy, I am pleased to announce that we have secured 3,000 street lights and every MMDA will receive 100 pieces. It doesn't mean that the fact that we are giving, you are not going to purchase. The assembly must also purchase some in order to make sure that all the streets within your district are what? Are lighted. Let me be clear. You have 2 weeks only to ensure that every single one of those lights is fixed. No excuses, no delays. I will personally monitor this directive and let me serve this notice. Any chief executive who fails to comply will be exposed and reported. If you cannot manage this basic task, then you have no business occupying that office.
Enkramantami mo so for Michael Papo Alote say enei solo circle bridge no hono mo no or de afasuo bi e ba betwa ho se be ya wo mo ededa hodun so gu ho ye niam bi ensem fata no e bebrase.
I don't know the last time that you passed by the place, but we have cleared all of them from there, and all the properties that they have there has been cleared. So very soon, within 2 to 3 weeks, we planning to fence the whole place. So you see some work down there. Thank you.
MC Awoga East Municipal Assembly Edmond Agbo and Sudin Semse Tuja.
And then part of the Kusu, all has been earmarked for immediate resource to be, for those roads to be put to shade by the urban roads. For the inner roads that fall under the municipal jurisdiction for reshaping and making them more travel, we are on course. We had some challenge with our DRIP equipment. That is what has caused the delay, but I'm hopeful. And I can see my regional coordinator out there. Beginning this September, you will see major action being taken on those roads.
Yemfri hona yemongra yensan foforo emo na sona ne ekona busia wo achim wanchi eyepoye mantemo ne NPP amanyukuo no ede enafo aduanan ehye na eto ho kane akotia mrahye bedwane Ernest ya okumi enedai wo achim wanchi funeral grounds ho.
Yepese ye she ne nuane enu munyam ye be ye de friend of vigil ne aye candlelight procession of akrom ye wia na yasa so agina kroma kasa kakra e okrom ni na se yepese nkofo hu atete ene oye na NDC fo e de enua enes komi FM enes komi abranti a obon homodin of parliament na o nyansa bebre any nimde ultimate eboa parliamentary work and in the committees of serve one but atete inti do ebikwa no oba parliament na edema no oba parliament no pie kwa se yedni senior de asan edna piako inti no ye be bankofo ehun sansem wo nyina after the candlelight procession you be bia wia na for the a lot of outdoor campaign and as also house to house, and you may tell anytime I ever see a bread and say, Yamboa or Chna and the ADD no or Chna or Sewo and Kazakaza. That's a bread doctor Asumadu or Betrance na or not the share and any impeding for any Kumena any Sewo Funina and Betrance any Okra for na ya DNA no about any 1 week near be. Begin say Ghana nyina be hawchra.
Kanema mpeni abedi eche Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de nkrata ko edi adanse se obetu franka ni bi ede ama NPP amanyuko.
even at the risk of mockery by our opponents. That is why I did not hesitate to concede the 2024 elections to preserve Ghana's peace. You can be sure that with Mahamudu Bawumia as flag bearer, I shall not hesitate to put my all on the line for the NPP and for Ghana as I have done before. I implore you to join me on this journey to rebuild our party and to reposition this great tradition to deliver for Ghanaians from 2028. I am committed to doing this with you, the grassroots of the party, supported by the mighty minority of 88 MPs. Let's win. Let's win together. Let's win with Bawumia.
Yatwan sam no so na kanin so fo no so hwe nwumasua so Dr. Yawo Seduchum so edene nkrata no koya edi adanse so no so pese otu franka no ebia wono die susuo se kianeke won moto saba no wiya nkunimdie ebe ne dia
Dr. Duchu ena edi NPP kwaji to me 2028 enti sabre mo boya mi atwansuo no yekodusuo na ja ye ne NDC begina Dr. Duchum na nuswadi hunti Dr. Duchum na hobrasenti Dr. Duchum na potenti Dr. Duchum nyawa presenti Dr. Duchum nyawa kanantina among Ghana Dr. Duchum ever win 2028 December 7th.
General Manager Dema Akam Brands aye multimedia Jumakomo Abdullahi Awudo na nei yaboni dini Sir President Magana Independent Broadcasters Association na we no obia mpre ho no ane so omukọ koso nsa 117th annual general meeting ase ekọ so okumase ene betodwe.
Number one thing Agiba standing for is advocacy, fighting for the rights of broadcast organizations. And there's no compromise on it. Secondly, capacity building. When you give a food in it means a capacity building, no, because stations in your doors. It is a one shot training from how or may you sales so many cigar and my business near vulnerable. Any media organization are vulnerable, so be to me control you. Obi to me control you presenter, obi to me control the station. No? So this is brewer. This council, one thing I be focusing on is to make sure that we help our members to be viable and to look at how they can raise revenue from other sources. The executive council, the say be so your members and say into the digital world because that's where the world is going.
And which Adom Kasiye and the vice president Adema Giba Ayura Thomas Eshon and Subon Common Wade to Wana Inyambeka Giba Ikuno Enimuse.
Ebeshe Obibia war broadcast sector say this is the time to join an organization a Casamao. Sanse Uni Mebra Ubehia any kind of intervention. I think so. Ayana enyese yeah advocacy kwa and so a bread to brain we are futu edema ye member organizations kwan befa so be avoid a situation where, for example, licenses a revocable license is answer when to an among be a neck as so to Sanyo Manina Wodom Kunwa Yashase.
Yenano Sonadum TV, Badwam Cassiana had a Brahma Quina, Yedia, da Semrenia da J. I would admire train and be a Wadaroma near Father Boncratano, any Adom online stories and Twasso, Yakwaba.